you know, he's just weird. He's got a weird complex. Not in my life though, because I don't play those games. But he's got this thing where he'll send a text, you know, and he'll say, yo. The other day he was like, yeah, my dad is young, you know, he's the type of person that if he posts a picture on Instagram, because it looks great, you know, and like, you'll see like people my age saying Sabawal, and I'm just like 10s. No, because it's like, because he's young and he looks great. People leaving has nothing to do with, you know, my friend, one of my members was man, it stuck with me, like, because when people leave in our relationships, you're like, yeah, my dad left.
Of course you
Why would strangers stay? You know, not everything. Each time someone leaves, and I still have those abandonment issues. Now I'm not and we're like, Roy and we're talking, and I was like, yeah, guys, you're my partner, it's not talking to me. And all he said was, I need me time. He didn't say I'm taking a break. Realize homeboy is going through the most, and here I'm making it about me because what abandonment issues, you know. So I'm just like, yeah, people will leave you, bro. Quoting when Nicki Minaj made on a playlist, people will love you and leave you when it's only beneficial. You know, there's certain people that don't even know, you know. But I had to come to a point where, like my friend said, you know, when people leave, they're exercising choice in their context, you know. Okay. So you guys chose to be here because your choice is me, you know. You didn't come here because you were running from someone. If you were tense, but generally, when we do certain things, you know, we do them because we want to.
Yes. So what's the question?
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Also, it's first time I'm going to I've seen you twice. Assumption Younger is that your life is sad. From what I've heard so far. So my question, Musa Younger, is, will there ever be music if you were happy for a long time without sadness? Is your music based on sadness? What would you be without sadness?
Is based on sadness. That's a very good question. Though.
Yeah.
Very wrong assumption of me.
Teta. Teta.
Sorry, what's your name?
Orisan.
Alright. Okay. Alright. What else can you ask?
Because that's not it.
Because wow. No, I'm joking.
But okay, I think my life really is sad, but I think it's not, like, I don't want to be felt sorry for. I think in life we need people who feel certain emotions, but in an exaggerated way. I make a lot of music, different types of music, and I have like alter egos. So this music I make is a certain person that's like circulating around and people don't know I wrote it, and that's fine, you know. And I don't sing everything I write, and I think I don't believe in happiness. Also, I think it's overrated. I do believe in contentment. You can be sad, but you can be at peace also. You can be like, yo, Like my dad left, everyone left. I'm really sad, but this is my life and I'm at peace. I'm okay.
I have a question. Does your music heal you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I have myself on repeat, not in a narcissistic way,
Yeah.
but I do, because like I think when it's not conscious. Like I think some live in my body, some I catch in the air, and some I feel they're not from me. I don't want to take all the credit. I feel like some are God moments that I'm meant to pass through, and sometimes I miss the moment for myself. There's certain songs that I've written and I missed it completely. And one day I woke up like, when I wrote Rufuna, I was just, it was a very political song in that, in the 1870s, during the great diamond discovery and gold discovery, people migrated to go look for the diamonds and whatever, and they left their families, and that sort of bred a culture of abandonment in our country, etc., etc. Then I woke up one day and I realized I'm actually the person I'm singing about. Because I don't really have a home. The idea of a home to me is very shaky, and I'm questioning home as a concept, not as a place, because already mutawaru funo whatever koti, they're home. It's not a place, So sometimes I write songs and a few weeks later I'm like, whoa.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna wrap this up because we're taking a break and then we're gonna come back next.
I think we should go buy drinks.
I just quickly want to say though, regarding this question of sadness, I think we live in a world that is very good at manufacturing happiness. So if you do have people like Muneyi who are creating the music that allows us to be sad for moments, that's a good thing. Oh shit, okay, so we're gonna carry on.
Let's carry on.
We're gonna carry on and sing.
Yeah.
Okay, one more question and then we're gonna sing.
Yeah.
You'll be able to ask questions after. We're still gonna talk.
Alright.
So, quickly question. No, I'm not.
Depending on the power of
What do you think about collaboration? Why do you barely collaborate with people? You barely collaborate. You do collaborate, but
I think I believe in the power of collaboration, and like the song I put out was a collaboration. So I don't know what Saudi is talking about.
based on that, okay, maybe you just don't collaborate with a lot of people.
Yeah,
Why is that?
I do collaborate with people. I just don't do it directly. So I have someone producing certain songs for me, and that for me is collaboration because I'm not putting the song is not completely me. My idea of collaboration is very different. I am open to people saying let's work on something. I've never said no to someone. Okay, I'm lying. I've said no to a lot of people, but it's just vibes. Sometimes it's because they don't take themselves seriously, and I take myself very seriously, and I don't want to be with people who don't take themselves seriously.
And they do.
Because it's like, if you don't take yourself seriously and I take myself seriously, what are we going to do? I don't want to be frustrated with you to organize all it. When are we meeting to actually do the song? Like, you can't keep that end of the bargain, so I can't trust you with the tiny details. And also the reason I say no sometimes is I just feel like people think you're cool, and they want to do something with you, but they don't know what. And I don't like confused people. Because I feel a certain way about people. Like, there's people that I've felt for years that, like, I think you're so cool and I want to do something with you, but I didn't know what, so I kept quiet. I want people to be ready. Yeah?
So I say no based on what you feel?
No, it's a conversation. Like, I'm open to talking to everyone, and then after a while you realize, no. Yeah. Mateo, please come. Let's sing a song together. Guys, Mateo taught me how to sing low key. So we're going to sing a song together now. Buy drinks, guys. Drinks are $25 at the bar. Don't kill yourself anymore. Okay.
Yeah.
Remember those walls I built? Baby, they're tumbling down. Didn't even put up a fight. Didn't even make a sound. Wait, I need to find the song called I'm gonna play later. I just want to make sure it's the right one. This is. Yeah, it's here just before the two dots. Guys, I don't know where chords are. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Remember those.
Hit me like a ray of sun, burning through my darkest night. You're the only one that I want. Think I'm addicted to your light. I swear I'll never fall again, but this don't even feel like falling. Gravity can begin to pull me back to the room again. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking is the risk that I'm taking. I'm never gonna shut you out. Everyone looking out. I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can feel your halo. Know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo.
Feel your halo.
I can feel your halo.
Said I can feel your halo.
I can feel your halo.
Feel your halo. I can feel your halo. Halo won't fade away. Halo won't fade away. Oh,
Halo won't fade away. Halo won't fade away. Halo won't fade away.
halo won't fade away. Halo won't fade away. Halo won't fade away. Everyone looking now.
I'm surrounded by your embrace.
Baby, I can see your halo.
Pray you won't fade away.
Everything you need and more.
Spreading all over your face.
Baby, I can feel your halo.
Pray you won't
I can feel your halo.
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 Halo. Guys, we didn't rehearse.
So that was Muneyi on stage, and it's his birthday. Happy birthday, Muneyi. So guys, thank you for listening to my podcast, and thank you. Please stay tuned for the next one. I think it's going to be next week there. I'm on Spotify, I'm on YouTube, and also I'm on Instagram, guys. Check it out, ne? SABC5. Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we didn't